Hello and welcome to Yescapa's Road Tips. In today's tutorial, we're looking at how to empty the grey water tank, also called wastewater tank, in a motorhome, campervan or converted van. Grey water refers to all the wastewater from the kitchen sink, shower and bathroom sink. Depending on the model, you can check the grey water level on your vehicle's control panel. This ranges from 0% when the tank is empty to 25, 50, 75 and 100% when it's full. If your vehicle doesn't have this feature, you'll simply have a warning light to let you know that your tank is full and needs emptying. As a precaution, don't wait until the tank is 100% full before emptying it. Always empty grey water at a dedicated dumping station, either in a service area or a campsite, but not in the wild. Locate the grey water outlet under the vehicle. Then move the vehicle so that it's positioned over the drain dedicated to grey water disposal. Next to the outlet, either inside or outside the vehicle, you'll find a lever or a tap to open the tank hatch. Depending on your vehicle's mechanism, either pull the lever or turn the tap and let the grey water run out. Then close the hatch by pushing the lever or turning the tap in the opposite direction to prevent any leaks during travel. The opening or closing system may be different from the one shown here. If this is the case, follow the instructions provided by the owner. You now know how to empty the grey water tank in a motorhome, campervan or converted van. For more advice, take a look at our other road tips videos. Safe travels and see you soon on Yescapa.